The new MIG products incorporated in the company brought stable sales growth as MIG welding popularized. When John's middle son and current technical director Edwin Boer joins the team, he and his father decide to rent a production hall to produce their own gas nozzles and MIG wear parts. They purchased their first DNC lathe in 1987. Along with various semi-automated machines, the production of gas nozzles, tip holders, and other products began. Translas Midden-Nederland name was again changed to Translas Production. Translas started a collaboration with an American MIG welding torch manufacturer in the mid-1980s, and together with its own gas nozzles and tip holders, Translas began to establish itself in the world of welding torches. Jeroen Boer, John's youngest son and current Translas CEO, wasn't to be left out. He also left school and started work in the family business, starting production of his own MIG welding torches.